this, and that. The adverbs here and there give a location relative to the speaker. But here and there describe only verbs. This and that demonstrate where a thing is in relation to the speaker. If something is here, use this.
This dog.
If something is there, use that.
That cat.
This and that demonstrate distance between a speaker and a thing. If the thing is near the speaker, we use this. If the thing is far from the speaker, we use that. This and that can refer to a physical distance. For small things, we use this if the thing is near enough to touch it.
This pumpkin.
And we use that if we can point to the thing.
That pineapple.
We can also use this and that to show distance in time. This month.
It is December now.
December is near in time, so we use this. That month.
It was May.
May is far away in time, so we use that. To determine distance to a thing, the speaker can use previous information about it.
A man is in a room, and a dog is outdoors. This man is tired, and that dog is hungry.
This and that are used only with singular nouns. With plural nouns, we use these and those.
This dog. These dogs. That cat. Those cats.
The words this, that, these, those are called demonstratives. We can use demonstratives in two ways. If demonstratives describe nouns, they are called demonstrative adjectives. If demonstratives replace nouns, they are called demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative adjectives describe nouns. We use them before nouns.
dog. Cats. This dog. Those cats.
We can use demonstratives as pronouns. They replace nouns.
Brian and Maria are doctors. These are doctors.
We use these as a pronoun to replace the nouns Brian and Maria.
Mark is a policeman. That is a policeman.
We use that as a pronoun to replace the noun Mark.
This, that, these, those. The cat is here.
The noun cat is singular.
This cat. The horses are there.
The noun horses is plural.
Those horses. The watermelons are near the speaker. She can touch them.
The noun watermelons is plural.
These watermelons. The cake is far from the speaker. She can point to it.
The noun cake is singular.
That cake.
Demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun.
This car is fast.
This is a demonstrative adjective. It describes the noun car.
I like that.
That is a demonstrative pronoun. It replaces the noun Brazil.
These are boys.
These is a demonstrative pronoun. It replaces the nouns Mike and Sam.
We help those people.
Those is a demonstrative adjective. It describes the noun, people. This and that. This and that demonstrate where a thing is in relation to the speaker. If the thing is near the speaker, we use this. If the thing is far from the speaker, we use that. This and that are used with singular nouns. With plural nouns, we use these and those. The words this, that, these, those are called demonstratives. Demonstrative adjectives describe nouns. Demonstrative pronouns replace nouns.
Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.